Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, is yet again concerned about another pollution incident in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine. The agency is urging the government to provide updates on the investigation and take concrete steps to prevent future pollution. Ramarda Lyons reports.
New alarm, new date, but the same issue at the same place. Pollution in the Rio Cobre. Dr. Teresa Rodriguez Moody, CEO of the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, questioned the current preventative measures.
The Rio Cobre continues to suffer repeated contamination, and the communities that depend on it deserve urgent action and accountability.
The latest incident occurred on Saturday, March 15 and was reportedly caused by a caustic chemical. Dr. Moody says this mirrors previous cases that left fishing communities in debt.
This is despite the repeated assurances that new safeguards would prevent further spills. There was a similar occurrence about a year ago where NEPA had described it as a minor fish kill, and they had indicated that investigations were being done, and when we requested a report of these investigations, that we've been told that no investigation report exists.
There have been repeated protests from fisherfolk for a better handling of the river in recent times.
The water not good for touch, for drink, for dive, nothing at all.
You can't breathe on a high, so what going to happen to the fish them? Eventually we're not going to see them start float again.
No sales, we have ended up throw away a lot of it. Dump it back to the sea. You understand?
In a release Tuesday, JET said, quote, residents raised concerns about their inability to use the river for recreational purposes. It said the impact on fisherfolk's livelihoods and disruptions to water supply was also highlighted. It continued, at least 31 communities across St. Catherine experienced low water pressure or intermittent supply due to the contamination. Now, Dr. Moody urged the government to be transparent with the ongoing investigation.
We are calling on the government of Jamaica to provide clear and transparent updates on this investigation and all other environmental investigations, and outline concrete steps to prevent further pollution of this vital waterway. And secondly, to enhance monitoring of the Rio Cobre by establishing a real-time water quality monitoring system that continuously tracks pollution levels and provides early warnings of contamination.
The Rio Cobre is a critical water source for at least 150,000 people in Kingston and St. Andrew. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.